Struggling to put pictures in TikTok comments? How to comment pictures on TikTok. Let's talk about this. So, let's start the video. First, head into the TikTok app and find the video where you want to add a picture in the comments. Once you're on the video, tap on the comments icon. At the very top, tap on Add a Comment. Next to the smiley face or emoji icon, you'll see a picture icon. Tap on it. If this is your first time, TikTok will ask for permission to access your photos. Go ahead and allow access. Now, tap the picture icon again and select any image from your gallery. Once the image is selected, you can type a message like awesome or anything you want. Then tap send. And just like that, your picture is posted in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Struggling to get an oldie football account?